Are you looking for the best hand saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hand saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WilFiks 16 Pro Hand Saw. This WilFiks Pro Hand Saw is our first pick. With its long and sturdy 16 inches blade, the saw easily rips through tree branches, drywall, plywood, wallboard, pipes, and so on, regardless of whether you are a hobbyist or contractor. This hand saw is likely to deliver more than you asked for. When using hand saws, one of the most important aspects is ergonomics. If the handle has a poor design, your hand will suffer severe calluses and pain. This hand saw is designed with a non-slip handle for total comfort. Furthermore, the handle has an average size that works well for people with big as well as small hands. The hand saw is made with 3 cutting teeth of varying lengths for faster and better cuts. Because they are induction hardened, they also stay sharp longer than usual. Plus, the saw comes with a cardboard sleeve that makes storage easy and secure. Up next in the 4th place is the Stanley N2610 15-inch Fat Max Hand Saw. Coming in the 2nd position is this N2610 15-inch Fat Max Hand Saw from Stanley, which is one of the most respected brands in designing construction tools. It is one of the popular hand saws out there because of its universally convenient 15 inches size configuration and integrated sharp tooth technology. One of the most notable features of the hand saw is its thick blade. It is 15% thicker compared to conventional saws so that you can make clean straight cuts without worrying about bending. We also liked its triple cutting surfaces that allow you to cut faster than common saws. When it comes to the handle, Stanley spared no effort into making this hand saw extra comfortable. The handle is well balanced, firm, and features non-slip construction that makes it feel natural even when cutting tough materials. The 3rd product on our list is the Mossimo 17009 Hand Saw. This Mossimo 17009 hand saw is the leading folding hand saw that we found in the market. The saw opens and folds effortlessly, and its blade retracts fully into the handle so that you can toss it into the pocket without worrying of getting hurt. The hand saw is sold with 3 types of blades: a blade for plastic, a blade for wood, and a blade for metal. All of them are designed with carbon steel and are 7.5 inches long. The steel construction helps to make the blades rust-resistant, durable, and enables them to maintain sharpness for longer. You will like the hand saw's triple cut, razor-sharp teeth that make cutting through your workpiece easy and fast. But with a length of 7.5 inches, the blade is relatively short, which makes it less effective for cutting tough pieces of wood. However, we found it a perfect pick for ripping through thinner pieces of metal, wood, or plastic. 2nd on our list is the AJ Handsaw. If you are looking for a hand saw that is comfortable, can cut fast, and is super comfortable, the AJ Handsaw could be the answer. With its 18 inches long blade, this saw is long enough and a perfect option for cutting large planks of wood, including logs. When cutting big planks of wood, the loose chippings generated by a saw can easily get blocked and make cutting tough and rough. But the AJ hand saw comes with unique anti-backing grooves that expel the wood chips, making sawing smooth and fun. The hand saw also uses 3 cutting surfaces on the teeth that help you to cut faster in every task. Whether cutting plastic or wood, we finish the job faster with the saw compared to traditional models, to make cutting with the saw easy and fun. Its handle is big enough to suit people with either small or big hands. It is also rubberized to give you a solid feel when sawing. Finally, the top product on our list is the Great Neck N2610 Hand Saw. This N2610 is another hand saw built for elegance and durability. Great Neck, a renowned global leader in designing high-quality tools for about 100 years, wanted to craft a saw that can be used for apt-purpose cutting, and they did not disappoint. The saw is made with high-carbon 26 inches steel blade that makes it tough enough, even for cutting very hard materials. With its 10 teeth per inch setting, the saw is also a great tool for most types of cuts you need to make in the workshop or in do-it-yourself project. Well, whether you target aggressive, fine, or detailed cuts, this saw will be efficient and fast, so that your projects will be completed quickly. This Great Neck N2610's blade is precision set and its teeth razor sharp. Besides, it rocks a great deal of flexibility that offers much needed control, which is necessary for cross-grain cutting. And to top up the impressive attributes, the hand saw is covered by a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.